It seems like the higher you go up on the Canon totem pole, the more complicated the menu systems get, even though Canon has a well-organized menu system. What's up, you guys? This is Devin with Century FX Studios TV, back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about how to get high frame rates on the Canon R5 Mark I in the menu system. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you're in the menu system dedicated to video. If you're not, you want to hit your mode dial at the top of your camera, then hit info. To know if you're in video mode, you want to make sure that you see like a little video and a tripod, a little video camera and a tripod in the icon of your mode. You'll see M, but you'll also see like a little video camera in the background along with a little tripod on there. That signifies that you're in video mode, or the video section of the menu system, so to speak. And now the first thing you want to do is go to the menu button that's on the top left hand corner of your camera. You want to go to red menu 1, or red menu with the section 1. You also want to go to movie record quality. Once you go to movie record quality, you need to scroll down to where it says high frame rate. You want to click that and hit enable. Now, when you hit the menu button again, it'll put you back to the original page you were on. So you can go to movie record quality again, but you'll see different options. You'll see 4K UHD, 4K DCI, and also 1080p, but the only option you have is 120 frames per second. Now, I need to preface this conversation because technically 60 frames per second is a higher frame rate that will give you slow motion. But in this Canon camera, they call high frame rates 120p and up. To know if you're in 120 frames per second, whether it's DCI, whether it's UHD 4K or 1080p, you need to look in the upper left-hand corner of your camera's info screen, and you will see a little H beside the logo where it says your mode. So right now I'm in manual mode, and I can see that I'm at a high frame rate because there's an H in the corner. Now, don't ever forget to go back to the way your camera was if you film in something other than 120 frames per second, in which I assume that most people will be filming in another frame rate other than 120 frames per second, because it's not easy to use on this camera. So that means you need to go back in the menu system. You need to go to red menu 1. You need to go to movie record quality. Once you do that, you need to go to high frame rate and disable it. Click that disable button, and then you want to go back up to movie record quality, and now you can see your 8K options, your 4K options, and your 1080p options all the way up to about 60 frames per second. This camera cannot do 8K at 60 frames per second, but I'm pretty sure it can do 4K at 60 frames per second and also 1080p at 60 frames per second, or at least it should. Sometimes you get the grayed out parts of the menu in weird spots. I'm Devin with Century FX Studios TV. If this video was helpful to you, in the comments below, you can write a comment. In the description below, you can find ways to support the channel, whether it be via Cash App or the affiliate links for the cameras that I have in the links in the description below. Subscribe to the video, like the video if it helped, and stay tuned for the next video.